This video explains the steps to render out a video file in Maya. Prior to rendering, there are certain conditions that need to be set to ensure a successful render and that the output is what you expect. At this point, you should be familiar with the Maya interface. Step 1 is identifying the saving location of your video. As you watch on the screen, I'm going to set my project on a network drive named H. You need to select your own location, whether it's a network drive or a local drive, but make sure if you are on a network, you have the rights to save in that location and that there is enough disk space available. You'll begin by going to the main menu. At the very top is the main menu. You select File, Project, Set. Look in. I will select the down arrow and select my H drive. Or I may have a folder already called Maya and I'm going to put it in Maya, but I need to make sure I know where it is I'm saving to. Then I click Set. Step 2 is checking your camera display. You want to ensure that what you see on your screen is what will be in your final animation. To do this, you go to your panel menu, choose View, Camera Setting, Film Gate. This rectangle identifies your camera lens. Think of it as your television screen. What happens within this rectangle is what will be your final animation. Step 3 is determine your rendering settings. Go to your main menu, go to your window, rendering editors, render settings. In this window, under your Common tab, ensure the path is the correct path where you want your animation to be saved. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down where you'll find File Output tab. If it is not open, you'll need to open it. File name prefix. This is the name that you're going to call your animation. Mine is about a checkered ball, so I'm going to call it checkered ball. Image format. If it isn't already selected, I go down and I'm going to choose AVI file. Under compression, I will click on Full Frames Uncompressed. Click OK. Then scroll down till you find a tab that says Frame Range. My animation goes to frame 200, so my start frame is 1 and my end frame is 200. Make sure you press enter after you have typed in your values. You can scroll down under renderable camera just to ensure that it identifies your perspective camera. Leave all the other options at their default values and close your window. Step 4 is your final step in preparing to render. In your status line, change your menu set to rendering. In your main menu, select Render, Batch Render. In the lower right-hand corner of your screen, click the script editor icon. This will allow you to watch the progress of your rendering. When complete, go to your drive where you had set your animation up to save, and you can double-click to open it independent of Maya. It will automatically open it in your default media player. That is the completion of the steps in setting up rendering and animation in Maya.